how to log into your Starling Bank account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Starling is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application, right? So after opening the application here, what you're going to do is make sure that you remember all of the information about your bank details. So in here, tap on get started. And then in here, you will now have to select, right? So you can select the option of login as a returning customer because since we are logging into our account. So here, simply select your country code and then add in your mobile number and then tap on continue. Then there will also be further process of asking your social security number maybe, or some sort of document verification. So you might be able to, you might need to do that. Simply follow all of the prompt. And then lastly, there might be the requirement of adding down the password. Simply write down the password, then you can tap on login, and just like that, you will actually be able to log into your Starling Bank account. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below. And that will be it for this video.